Hello, in front of me I have Cubot W03 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the GloryFit application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the GloryFit application. Oh, actually, let me close it and open it again, like this. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now, tap on the device icon, and this should bring you to the device page of your W03 smartwatch. Now, on this page, scroll down and tap on the Unpair button. Then tap on I know, tap on Yes, and the device should disappear from device page. Now, we can close the application, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth, and you should see W03 on the list of my devices. Now, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, tap on Forget device to disconnect it. And at this point, the watch is completely unpaired from our iPhone. And that's how you unpair this watch from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.